Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to share with you guys my hair oiling routine. Now hair oiling is a very important part of my hair care regime. I do it at least once a week, every Sunday, and this is something that I recommend to everybody because this is the easiest way to deep condition your hair and to tackle a lot of the hair shaft and hair scalp related problems. And also it is something which is a very traditional Indian method of taking care of your hair, and it's something very easy to do. There aren't too many steps involved. So I'm going to share with you guys my hair oiling routine in this video. If you're interested, keep watching. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this video is in association with Foxy app. I'm going to leave links to their app in the description box down below. Don't forget to check that out. And now let's get started. So my favorite oil to use is the Kama Ayurveda organic neem oil, cold pressed neem oil. Why I love this so much is because first of all, it is a made in India product. We should all support Indian brands. Then the second thing, that it is an organic product, so it is good for your hair, it's good for the environment. Also, this is 100% neem oil, there's nothing mixed in with this product from Kama Ayurveda. I really trust their products. And also this is something which you can use on your face, your body, and on your hair. I use it mostly on my hair. Not only does it deeply condition your hair, it is an oil, so it is going to condition your hair, but it also relieves it relieves you from dandruff on the scalp, which is really important because especially in winters I do get an itchy scalp and dandruff sometimes, so this comes in really handy at that time. Another great benefit of this one for your hair especially is that it stimulates hair growth. So it's good for somebody who's looking to lengthen their hair. I'm going to show you my hair oiling routine, how I do it. First thing that I do is warm up the oil, and how I do it is not by putting it directly on the gas in a bowl or not by using the microwave. I take warm water in a bowl and then I place the oil in a steel katori, and then I place the katori in the bowl with warm water. That way the oil gets a little warmed up, but you're not damaging the oil by directly heating the oil. That's really important to preserve all the qualities of the oil. Then I take a round cotton ball, dip it into the oil, and then just section my hair with my little finger. I just keep doing that and keep applying the oil. Once the whole scalp is done, I move to the sections of my hair, the shafts of my hair, take some oil in my palm, rub my palms together, and then apply it to the lengths of my hair. I also like to massage my scalp once the whole thing is done. Once that is done, I like to put my hair in a bun, and that's about it. I like to also place a hot towel on my head so that the oil can penetrate inside much better. So once my hair has been oiled, I generally leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes, an hour sometimes, and then I just wash it off with a gentle cleanser, use a nice conditioner, and you're good to go. Your hair will feel really soft and your scalp will definitely be taken care of. So that was it, guys. This was my hair oiling routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and if you have any further requests, let me know in the comments down below, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye and stay safe.